Welcome to Chrisman Garage. As you can see, we got the Jeep Cherokee back. Seems like it's always something with this poor little girl. She's lived a hard life. She still does good though. You know, we got something else that's gone to the bad on this thing today. Yep, old mirror. She's bad. So, that being said, we're gonna change on it. Y'all hang out. Well, to get the mirror off, first thing you got to do is get to the back side of the mirror. You got to take the door panel off. There's going to be a screw behind this. There's going to be a screw down here. There's going to be a screw right in here. If you're not sure how to take the door panel off, I think I've got a video taking this door panel off. So you just stick around. I'll show you how that mirror comes off. There's got one back here behind this little piece. It's a Torx. All these Torxes always confuse me, so I just grab them all. No, so see, clip there, plug there. She's out. All this black stuff here, yep, she's gone to the bad. Our mirrors up here, this is what we're changing on today. These look like 10 millimeter, and it's just gonna pop right off. So let me get a deep 10 millimeter, and we'll see what we can do with it right here. All right, these are just self-explanatory, 10 millimeter. Actually, they're not all that tight. We're just taking them off. You know, if it had that little cover here like some door panels had, you wouldn't have to take the whole door panel off, but they saw fit to design it this way, so I understand. All right, once we get those off, it should kind of just do its own. Yep. Push this grommet out right here. See this little grommet? There you go. There you have it. Old mirror. Yeah, that's what mailboxes will do to it right there. Gone to the bad. So, all right, we got a new one. It's the QC passed. I guess that's the question and answer for Chrisman Garage. Passed that test. We've got, yep, some little rubber plugs there. It's got a new one of them, but we're gonna leave. I think this one goes. The other one had one on that side too. Ooh. Did it have a piece of foam? Oh yes, see, it's got a piece of foam right here. Look at here. Little piece of foam. Yep. So we'll leave this. This goes right here. This stays here, fellas. What's that? That's a protective corner. Yeah. So it don't break you on the corner there. All right. Well, we're gonna put the old grommet back in there. Shouldn't be too bad to do. Grommet. Eee! Oh! Okay, hold on. Alright, I'm gonna block y'all view here. Alright, you just punch it in there, drop the mirror, break it. Nope, we don't want to do that. It should plug right back up. And it does. And we'll put these screws right back on here. And they fit. And then we want to tighten up on these screws like this. And you know, putting this mirror on reminds me of over there in the book of James in the Bible, where it talks about if a man hears the word and doesn't do it, he's like a man that looks in the mirror in the morning, sees what type of person he is, and then just goes on about his business. You know, the word of God is a mirror. As we look at it, it shows us what we are and where we're at. All right, enough about that. Once you get all these tight, we don't want to tighten them too much because we're going in plastic. We got this all back together. That's a big one. Was this one longer than the factory one? Wow. That's like massively long. But anyhow, we'll put put this piece of foam back on here. Just like so. Boop, 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 boop. Just like that. Beautiful. I wonder if we should put these back on there. They look really cool. No. Okay. All we got to do is put the door panel back on, guys. We're done. So, reverse the procedure. All right, there you go, guys. We're going to put these screws back in. We're going to be done. So, y'all remember, until next time, if she's giving trouble, you guessed it, she's going to the bad. I for sure know.